I made the mistake of washing the barbecue plates in the dishwasher. After this mistake, the dishwasher would not clear the E24 error. I found a lot of grease in the filters and then they were cleaned. I checked for blockages around the drain pump. Did I somehow destroy the drain pump that I installed 12 months ago? Filters clean, impeller cover correctly installed, drain pump not blocked. No obvious blockage in the drain hose. Could it be the drain pump? Dismantle the cupboards to get the kick panel out. Use a suction pump to remove excess water. Use a Torx T20 driver. We need to undo the front panel. Start by undoing the lower screws. The panel needs to come off to access under the dishwasher. Keep some top screws attached. The spacing blocks will fall out. The top of the front panel clips under the upper control panel. When you hinge the upper control panel up, you can take the whole front panel off. These are the spacer blocks which are difficult to replace. Use your Torx T20 to undo the lower panel. Remove the 2 Torx screws and unclip the panel. Pull back the sound insulation. The drain pump is in here. Move the wires from the retaining clip. Pull out the power plug to the drain pump. On the rear of the pump, press the tab outwards. Turn the entire pump housing clockwise. You are turning the pump this way. This is the genuine Bosch replacement drain pump that I just removed. This is a replacement non-genuine pump I just bought. Using a multimeter we measure resistances. Old genuine pump 89 ohms, new non-genuine pump 80 ohms. The original pump may still be good, but we changed it anyway. The new pump 80 ohms. The old pump 89 ohms. We use some silicone lube for the O-ring. When reinstalling the drain pump, line up where it goes. The groove on the dishwasher side needs to line up with this tab on the drain pump. That tab there. The water drip tray is close up, so there is limited room to get the drain pump in. You have to get the drain pump past here. So you're going to push it in at that angle. Alright, so if you want to see what the angle is, where is it? It's this here, but you've got that thing there, so you're going to push it really hard. In really hard, because the bottom is hitting here. So you push it really hard, and then you turn it anti-clockwise. Turn it. So you turn it anti-clockwise. You're turning it this way. it should click past this, which is this thing, and then once it's clicked there, you can't turn it back. Just make sure it doesn't move around, otherwise it's going to be leaking. So once it's in, you grab a hold of it and move it around. It doesn't move, so you're going to move it. And then you put some wire back in. And then you get the clip which you've kept over here. So the clip goes in at that angle. Like that. So that's it. I'm going to clip this back in. Oh yeah, there it is. See that? Clip that back in. Okay, now we're going to see if we can get it to go. While the panels are off, check for leaks. When replacing the front panel, the spacer blocks must line up. They will sit here but must be inside the door panel to install. The blocks need to be placed here and the door panel is lifted. Under the control panel there are notches where the door panel slots in. The notches fit into the holes in the door panel. There are the holes. So line up the holes. Then close the control panel over the clipped in front panel. Then open the entire door so it sits horizontally. While the door is horizontal, slip the spacer blocks back in. You have to place them both in while holding the door. Here we place the right side spacer. The spacers will sit here. So when the spacers are in, replace all of the door screws. If you see error E16, 17 or 18, check the inlet filter. We did not find much debris and the code did not return. Why does E24 keep appearing? There still could be grease trapped in hoses or filters. Here I use a commercially available dishwasher cleaning product. You can use vinegar and bicarb soda instead. Run the dishwasher on a full cycle with no dishes in it. If the dishwasher works and then shows E24 error, keep persisting. If you see the E24 error, switch the dishwasher off, turn it back on, then press reset and see if it works. Try not to have the hose lying too flat in the cupboard. Flat areas can trap water or grease. I will use this hose hanger to lift the drain hose up. Remember not to clean super greasy items in your dishwasher. Thanks for watching.